Hey, now we're out again, panning. We're just cleaning this hole out. So it's nice, good bedrock, quartz running through it. So we're just cleaning this right out. I've got a new toy. I'll show you what it is. I've got this thing here. Some people won't know what it is, but it's called a vacuum pump dredge. What it is it's a for doing your toilets. I got it from America for about, I don't know, I think it was $5 or something, cheap as chips. And then all I did was just put I just stuck this copper line in it. Normally it's got a crisscross across on here to stop major stuff going up there, but I just cut that out and then put this pipe down it, and yeah, I'll show you how it works. It works really well. Gulp full and out it comes. So it's quite good. Works really well. Yeah, so it's quite a good wee toy really. So yeah, it works, seems to work really well. Quite happy with it. For the $5 investment, can't go wrong. Anyway, yeah, so we're just cleaning this hole out, so we'll see what we get later on today. Alrighty, get you soon. I just did a bit of a clean out and a few pans, and this is what I come up with. So some nice bits in there. Nice big bit there. There's a couple in there somewhere. Ah, there. Yeah. So there's a couple of nice wee bits there and quite a few fines. That's about 10 pans worth. So on the gold. Happy. So a bit more to go yet. So we'll see how we go. Yeah, been detecting and found all this stuff. Nails and wire and a bit of, don't know what the hell that is. It looks like it's an old flint. It's quite dirty. It comes out like a black, I don't know, something. It's got something running through the middle of it. So I don't know what the hell that is. But anyway, I think it might be a flint. There, some nails and stuff, some wire. So finding all the heavy bits, little nails. So yeah, having a bit of fun. So it's the old Nocta. So yeah, now I'll get back to it and yeah, go from there. Update you soon. Now we're finished for the day, and that's what we did. So we've cleaned it right out. Same sort of set goes all the way down to that little bit at the bottom there. So I've sucked everything out of there and right up the sides there. So we know there's nothing left in there pretty much, so she's all good. And that's all black sand. So there's the bottom of the bucket. That's quite more, you know, quite a lot in there. It's going to take a few hours to do that. So anyway, that's good. So yeah, good day's work. Oh, we'll let you know how the gold goes later on. Alrighty. A little bit of an update. We had a last weekend we went away gold panning, me and Jade, and we come back and we've got all this concentrate that's sitting in the bottom of the bucket there, which is full of gold, but it's full of iron sand as well. It's just such a pain to get through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a miller table up. So I've got this board, waterproof board. It's just plywood. I'm going to cut a strip through here so that this board can go in here like that, and then that'll be locked together, and then I'll make my water reservoir and so on and so forth. This board is it's got like a little, it's got like little stipples in it. So and it's cool. It's just a 12mm cutting board, so it's like nylon, but so it won't wear out or anything like that. So I'll give it a go. Would have been nice to have been black, but I've got white because that's what I work with. So anyway, so I'll keep you posted and see how we go building her up. Alright, I'll be back soon. Morning. Yeah, this is what I've made for the miller table. So I've just got a wee tube in there so the water just runs around underneath there. It's got a little tiny, I don't know if you can see it, it's just got a little tiny groove just there I can sweep the gold into. Then I've got a groove that runs along the bottom of here. All the wood is all marine grade ply, so it's all waterproof. And I've just run a dye over the white, because that's obviously white cutting board. So I'll just run a dye over it to change it to being black. And then I've just got a so I've just got this little pump, submersible pump, little 12 volt pump. Just I think I got that off Banggood or somewhere like that. Now I just got it up to a switch and a big battery pack. So yes, I'll chuck some through and I'll show you how it works. So let's turn it on. Fill it up. And this runs down nicely down the front. Yeah, just grab a wee scoop out of here. And stick it in here. This hasn't been screened or anything, so it's just this, whatever size it is. See some gold just turning up there. Piece just there, very, very small. It's just like a pinprick. Piece just there, just there. Showing up in there, get to see there. All the rocks and the bigger rocks are still moving out, so that's good. That seems to be working. And then the rest just falls into there, and I can clean it out again. Yeah, it seems to be working. Alright, I'll come back in a minute when I'll have a bit of a clean up and show you what the guts is. Right, there, I'll finish that one scoop, and that's what I got out of it. Which is quite good really, considering it's just one wee scoop. Very rich ground that we found. But yeah, I'll have another go and show you how it works. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, it's quite hard to see. But yeah, all the black sands are just moving away. It's all going down, all nice and light, and leaving all the gold. See, got a few flakes of gold just there. Got a few through there. It just slowly separates it all out. Very cool. One would say very therapeutic. Right, and I'll be back shortly again. See what to get. Another scoop. So this is what we got. Not too bad really. Just considering it a little tiny scoop. And I've got if it's full, then I've got a whole bucket. Quite a lot in there. And I've got to get through, so it's going to take me a wee while. But yeah, that seems to be working very well. And it just gets down to that little tiny fine. Let's see if it'll focus up. Focus. Anyway, it just goes down to that little tiny fine gold. Oh, there it goes. See, I mean those little specks on that side over there, they're tiny. Like you can barely see the damn things. But it's collecting it all. I'll see if I can find one that's stuck in the board. No, there's one. I don't know if you can. I can just see it. It's just there, just on the end of my nail. It's so small, but that's a piece of gold. Like you can barely see it. Pretty hard to pick it up, but you know, it's getting down to very fine. Oh, there's another wee piece. Just there, just the end of my finger. And it's so small, but you know, that's what's picking it up. So obviously working. So that's good. So yeah, I'll have a clean that out and carry on. Right, I'll show you this. Look how small that, I just swept that up into a concentration. Look how small these wee dots are. They're tiny. Let's get all that. There's quite a bit in there, that was quite a bit just in there as well. It's doing a good job. Cool. Right, take shortly. Let's dump another lot in. So you can just, because I haven't classified, but you can just flip these rocks down, get rid of them. And then, yeah, sort of left with all this gold just sitting here. And just sweep it up into little piles, and then sweep it up into the into the little ridge there. Yeah, so you can get this from there and yeah, just collect it all. So there's quite a few bits here. And you can just see the sands just slowly moving away. Very cool. And you just help it. And just got it, and it'll just move away. Yeah. Right. Well, I'll be back shortly. Now I've cleaned up. That's the first pass of that whole bucket. So I don't know, it probably took me an hour or so. Huh. There's a bit of gold stuck in my top. I wonder how that got there. Anyway, yeah, so this is what we got. You see all the super fine gold at the top there. It's very fine. But yeah, so not too bad. So I'll weigh it up and see how we did. Alrighty, back soon. Sizzling away there. Bad. Just set up the scales and see how much we got. Rightio, just tiered weighted it, so we'll see how that goes. .21. Well, not too bad. Alright, cool. Catch you on the next one.